Hello trolls of the world, we are Anonymous. We come to you with the message of LOLs. This is a call to a reality hacking trollathon. This real-life action is one of the many phases of Project Mayhem 2012. All reality hackers will be sure to participate in this global reality hacking trollathon. On 12/21/2012 at 11:11 Anonymous will troll all legislative branches worldwide in order to celebrate the end of fear and the beginning of LOLs. To participate will be easy. The global hive mind is gathering millions of reality hackers worldwide in order to form massive flash mobs to invade all legislative branches. Expect us.